All right, so now I brought my bias, and because of the fact that we are biasing, so that is why we're going to close this pocket in this form. And I like my bias to be curvy or straight. It's easier to bias in a curvy form. So what you do is you push this lining to go 1 inch above the trouser height or trouser length, just like this. Push it to be high this way, and then you start from here to start locking the pocket in. Make sure it's 1 inch higher from here, 1 inch higher up here, and then you give like half inch off from the edge of the trouser. Then start from here and stitch. So since we are working with bias, I'm going to curve it in a curvy form. It's easier to bias curvy than biasing in a straight or in a square form. But if you don't want to use bias, you go ahead and fold and close it normally. So just take your time to arrange all of this in a very perfect shape, you know. Then I will trim the excesses. So you gently make sure you trim the excess. You trim the excess at the side, leaving like 1/4 inch. Just trim all of this from these very points. Trim all these very points to the very end. So this is how you trim. Then you take your bias and then place this way, and then you fold all through and you stitch, biasing the trouser lining round all through this way.